In this video, we will be accessing the on-screen display of an HD camera on a Prime Series recorder. First, you want to right-click and go to PTZ Control. Once the PTZ menu appears, you want to select plus iris, and go ahead and move the menu there so you can navigate. Then you're just going to use the directional pad to navigate the menu. And plus iris will act as your enter, and that'll get you to the other menus. Okay, and if you do decide to change anything in your camera, just make sure you go to the return menu. Granted, every camera will be different. You'll just go to return and then exit. All right? So that's how you access the on-screen display on a Prime Series recorder. Thank you for watching.